speaking of L'Oreal, but for those of you who have been with us on this journey for a while, you might have remembered that Aling Tindera actually was the first program in plastic responsibility. Wala pang PCX nung time na yon. It was still part of Hope. And parang we were just trying to find a way to be responsible. And we started Aling Tindera with, nako, defunct na, USAID. Wala na si USAID, buhay pa rin si Aling Tindera because of you, right? So we started this program, kailan nga ba? 2019, oh yun! Right? 2019. So we started in 2019. I think Pepsi was also part of that, diba? And the way it works is, and you're going to see two of our Aling Tinderas later, but how it works is we work with women, sari store owners, and what they do is they buy plastic waste from their community. So rather than itapon nila kung saan-saan sa estero, and then pag umulan, no flooding, oh my God, diba? So they were the ones who are champions in their communities. They're sustainability champions. They buy plastic from their community. So it's amazing because, one, the community gets incremental income. Two, the Aling Tinderas also earn an additional livelihood. And three, the LGUs love it because for every ton of plastic waste that we remove from the barangay or from the city, hindi na nila gagastos yan to do that. They can use that money for other priorities in the city, right? Whether education or nutrition or whatever. So we do that. That's the first step. Once Aling Tindera is able to collect enough plastic to fit one container van, the group of Marvin at home pick up the plastic, they buy it from her. There's usually a spread of about 25% or 20 or 25%, diba? Yeah, 25, so that they earn from whatever they paid for the plastic. And then we deliver it to the processor. So sometimes it's a recycling, especially if you think about L'Oreal, they want recycling. Some people want upcycling. Or talagang pag hindi na siya ma-recycle or upcycle, it goes to energy recovery, usually co-processing. So we send it to the processors and then we have a third party audit the impact. Kasi hindi naman pwedeng kami kasi check your old paper, hindi naman dapat, diba? So we ask somebody else to verify the impact and we deliver it to you, our partners, the ones who choose to support Aling Tindera. Okay, this is an example of, I don't think anybody from Pepsi is here today. I don't know, diba? Okay, but this is an example of how Pepsi was able to work with, and by the way, si Aling Lorne and Aling Quarries are also here, right? Oh my God, mga star pala natin to be sa okay, game. Let's watch what they did.
Mahalaga po yung basura, sir. Lalo na pag sisegregate po natin. At saka kaya nga sinasabi nila, yung sa basura, nandoon yung pera sa basura. Totoo yun po.
At PepsiCo Philippines, we partnered with Plastic Credit Exchange 2 years ago. With a bold ambition of collecting plastic and building a circular economy. We managed to empower women micro-entrepreneurs across the Philippines to encourage the communities to collect waste and then create an income out of it. So this cleans the environment and also adds back to the communities. And the second is all the plastic waste which is collected across, we safely either recycle it or treat it to end-of-life plastic usage via co-processing partners with Plastic Credit Exchange. So super happy with the results that we are seeing from the Aling Tindera program.
Last week, nagbenta po sa akin ay 14 persons. So, ang kumabot po na kilo, 3,000. Sa akin, ako po sir, dinadala ko po sa pangailangan po ng dalawang anak na nag-aaral. Minsan yung mga bangka, nakikita yun dyan. Alam mo, like sila, kumukuha sila. Kasi nakikita naman nila yung Aling Tindera. Pwede pa lang, last week, may pera. Para naman makatulong. tayo. Sabi ko sa kalikasan, maganda sana, maganda pala, meron palang mapupuntahan to. Sabi ko, ay, pera pa. May pera pa, kahit na pulaan. One week lang, puno na kami, kasi marami nagbibenta dito sa amin. Dito din na dinaladala ang mga plastic bottles nila at saka mga sachet, mga PET bottles. Nakatulong sila sa amin kasi malakas na kami mag-holding. Nakapagpunta kami dito sa mga school supplies, unti-unti. Nagpapasalamat kami sa PCX kasi kung walang alipindera, hindi kami nag-expand ng mga tindahan namin. Proud ko talaga kasi karagdagan kita na kasi kahit na marumi po siya, at least po sa manigusta ka.
2022 was the 76th year of PepsiCo in the Philippines, and we expanded this community connection program to 76 new sites.
PepsiCo and the PepsiCo Foundation commit to invest more than $65 million in global recycling partnerships initiatives to elevate waste collection and recycling rates.
Today, we feel super proud that PepsiCo Foods Philippines is 100% plastic neutral for all our brand across snacks and makeup. This is the start of a long journey, and PepsiCo is truly committed. We will continue to partner and invest towards building a circular economy in the Philippines.
So that's what Aling Tindera is all about. And I think what we're going to do right now is call on Aling Lorme and Aling Cory. Come on stage. These were the people that you saw, and these were the
We'll also call on Mr. DIY Philippines, Attorney Suzy Koo, and Miss Adele Olaybay to be with Aling Cory.
So there's a story behind this, isn't there? And I think will Attorney be sharing that with us? All right.
Let's have a